So, hey, AMC guys, jumping 4% today. A really good reaction after we said the bottom last Friday. We tested around the 173. So this is the good reaction that we want. Yeah, we didn't have a gap, but at least we reverse big time from the support, the 173. For GameStop is a bit neutral for today. Again, before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes only, and of course we always do update before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. For today we did one of the really good play for today was SU and E squeezed a lot before the market open, and fuel cell energy reverse, and we said the resistance around the 1928 was really good short because market open pulled back down. The link in the description below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, GameStop looking fantastic as long as we hold the 20 and break the 2369. So technically we still want almost 10% to confirm a reversal up and squeeze. So make sure to watch GameStop. Today is a bit light on volume, so just have a million worth of volume. So watch out for the volatility later on, as long as we hold over the 20, because this is where the last buyer at the earnings still holding their position. So as long as we hold over 20, we confirm that the buyer is still holding huge position for GameStop. For AMC, on the other hand, did really fantastic reaction over the $1.73. So this is the level that we should hold for AMC in order to have a squeeze up. Next time or next up to confirm the squeeze is over the $2. This is psychological level, guys. Why? Because last time we broke this level, it was on Monday before the market closed, because we don't have enough volatility and the price pulled back. This time we need to break this level around the $2, hold over it to go toward the 245 and then the $3.17 to confirm the squeeze this time. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think. Are we gonna have the squeeze for this month in June over the $2 and hold or not? Because this is a really good reaction. Holding the 173 is really good confirmation that we have the buyer on our side. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.